Namaskar. I, Himanshu Bora, welcome you on behalf of Confluence World School to this amazing learning of science. Before we begin, I would like to thank my mother for recording this video. In this video, we will learn Chapter 11 from your science textbook. Chapter 11 is Transportation in Animals and Plants. Now this chapter comes from the branch of science called biology. Biol, B-I-O-L, which means life. Other than animal and humans, we have this wonderful green kingdom called plants. In our homes, either washroom, kitchen, or a place where we require water, we have long pipeline, a pipeline system to fetch water. Have you ever wondered how does substances travels inside a plant body? Now, when you pour water into the soil. Now, from the soil, the water is transported along with the minerals inside the plant body. So, let's understand the transportation in plants in this video. Now, the roots of plants are in the direct contact with the soil. If you look at these roots minutely, you will see there are root hairs present on the roots. Now these root hairs are in direct contact with soil, so with water. Now the water and minerals are absorbed by these root hairs. But why are there so many root hairs in a plant? The answer is simple. These root hairs increases the surface area for absorption of water and mineral. But what happened next? Where does this water and minerals go from the root hairs? Let us see. Now, last night I have put this experimental setup. This glass had the colored water and this glass was empty. The tissue paper was rolled and put in these two glasses. From overnight, from this glass, the colored water traveled and balances the water in both the glasses. Similarly, if you look at this piece of paper, you will see there is a colored pattern. Now, there is a tissue paper placed inside this straw. Now, through this tissue paper, the colored water was absorbed and traveled and spread over the piece of paper. Now, this works as a pipe. The straw acts as a pipe and this tissue paper which was placed inside the straw was absorbing the water and the water was traveling up through this tissue paper and reaching to the tip. Now, is it possible that do these plants have similar pipelines inside their body? Yes, there are pipe-like structures found inside the plant body as well. Now these pipe-like structures are made up of a specialized tissue called vascular tissue. Now vascular tissue are the specialized tissue which makes these pipes. Now there are two types of vascular tissue. One is xylem, one is phloem. Xylem is used to transport water and mineral and phloem is used to transport food. What is a tissue now? Simple. Tissue is a group of cells with the specialized function. I repeat, a tissue is a group of cells with the specialized function. Now, vascular tissue are just like pipe-like structures found inside the plant body, which is used to transport three substances in the plant. The three substances which are to be transported: food, minerals and water. Like I have said, the root hair absorbs water and minerals. Now from these root hairs, the water and mineral is traveling up with the help of the specialized tissue called xylem. Now, xylem takes the water and mineral up the plant. So the direction of this xylem tissue is unidirectional. From the root hair, the water and minerals are traveling up. On the other hand, we have the phloem. The phloem helps to transport food in the plant. But the food is synthesized in the leaves and food is required by all parts of plant. So the food goes up, comes down. So the direction of phloem is bidirectional. So this is a comparison study between xylem and phloem, where we have xylem showing the unidirectional movement taking the water and minerals up, and on the other hand the phloem, which shows the bidirectional movement, means the food is traveling up and down and all parts of the plant. So let's recall what we have learned in this video. There are pipe-like structures made up of specialized tissue which are called vascular tissue. Now these vascular tissue are of two types, xylem and phloem. In the plant, the xylem helps to transport water and minerals. Root hairs absorbs water and minerals from the soil as they are in direct contact, and xylem takes these minerals and take water up and give it to the parts of plant. On the other side, the food which is synthesized in the leaves are transported inside the plant with the help of another vascular tissue called phloem. The direction of phloem is bidirectional. The food is transported to all parts of body from leaves. This video will be supported by a worksheet and a PDF of the chapter. For more queries, for more details, if you have a question, do write to me. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you.